Taking action for your health tonight. It's no secret that drug companies spend millions on marketing. But did you know some of these companies pay your doctor to speak about their products? Tonight, Linda Hurtado is taking action for your health with an in-depth look at how this practice could affect the medicine doctors prescribe.
Dr. Karon LoCicero runs a busy and successful primary care office in South Tampa.
Hello.
She tries to stay on the cutting edge of medical advancements, and that includes staying educated on the latest pharmaceutical drugs.
For example, blood pressure medicine, a new blood pressure medicine would come out, and a pharmaceutical company would want us to become more familiar with it. Well, we would talk about the drug, what it is, what the indications are.
It's not unusual or illegal for pharmaceutical companies to pay doctors to educate other medical personnel on new products.
We have been compensated in the past, not always.
While Dr. LoCicero says her relationship with pharmaceutical companies has been limited, other doctors in our area are reported to have made over 6 figures for a range of activities that include speaking and conducting research on behalf of a pharmaceutical company's products or a manufacturer's device. In response to conflict of interest charges and lawsuits by the federal government, some of these farm companies have begun disclosing doctors' names and compensation. ProPublica, an independent nonprofit news website, took those numbers, they say over $280 million in compensation, and assembled them into a single database that you can access. We found hundreds of local physicians on that list, more than 10 who earned $100,000 plus in a 2-year period. According to info on their database, Dr. Thomas Oates, an endocrinologist with the Watson Clinic in Lakeland, earned more than $254,000 from farm companies during 2009 and 2010. Watson Clinic declined an on-camera interview, but sent us a lengthy statement which included, quote, Watson Clinic supports our medical specialists, who often lend their expertise to educate primary care physicians and the public through special speaking engagements sponsored by various pharmaceutical companies. End quote. Jay Wolfson, a professor of public health at USF, says patients should ask doctors if they have a relationship with any pharmaceutical company.
It's not bad that they do, because many times, in most cases, those physicians and nurses who do are conducting clinical trials, engaged in research that published in peer-reviewed journals and subject to peer review, and helped us understand more about the value of those drugs and devices in an objective way.
But Dr. James Orlowski, head of pediatrics at University Community Hospital, says there's a perception problem. Patients may think a doctor is unduly influenced to push a product he's been nicely paid to discuss, either over dinner with friends or in front of thousands at a conference. And he says he has the stats to prove it.
I did a study probably about 15 years ago where we looked at drug companies paying for doctors to take trips to learn about their drug to nice resorts. And even though the doctors said that this in no way influenced their prescribing pattern, we were able to show that the drugs that were mentioned at these conferences tripled to quadrupled in usage right after the trip.
So you don't do this?
I never have done it, never will.
The healthcare reform law, signed in March, mandates that all drug companies report this data to the government starting in 2013. The information will then be posted on a government website, but you can check to see if your doctor has been compensated by one of 7 farm companies right now, or to read the Watson Clinic statement in its entirety. Go to abcactionnews.com/links or check out my Facebook fan page. Taking action for your health. I'm Linda Hurtado, ABC Action News.